Home Remedies Fenugreek Mask for Unstoppable Hair Thickness. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be sharing a fenugreek mask home remedy for unstoppable hair thickness. Tired of thin, lifeless hair? Discover the ancient secret to unlocking unstoppable hair thickness with a simple yet powerful fenugreek mask. Get ready to transform your hair naturally. Fenugreek, also known as methi, is a powerful herb packed with nutrients that promote hair growth and thickness. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its amazing hair benefits. It contains proteins, iron, and nicotinic acid, all essential for healthy hair follicles. These nutrients nourish the scalp and strengthen hair from the roots, leading to less breakage and more volume. Fenugreek stimulates blood flow to the scalp, which is crucial for hair growth. Improved circulation ensures that hair follicles receive the nutrients they need to thrive. It also contains hormone precursors that can help balance hormones related to hair loss. This makes it a great natural remedy for those experiencing thinning hair. First, soak 2 to 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. This softens the seeds and makes them easier to blend. The next day, grind the soaked seeds into a smooth paste. You can use a blender or food processor for this step. Add 1 tablespoon of yogurt or coconut milk to the paste for extra moisture. You can also add a teaspoon of honey for its humectant properties. Apply the mask directly to your scalp, massaging gently for a few minutes. This helps stimulate blood flow and ensures even distribution. Then, work the mask through the length of your hair, coating each strand. This will help strengthen and condition your hair. Leave the mask on for 30 to 45 minutes. You can cover your hair with a shower cap to keep it moist and prevent it from drying out. Rinse the mask out thoroughly with lukewarm water. Avoid using hot water as it can dry out your hair. Follow up with a mild shampoo and conditioner. Be gentle when washing your hair to avoid breakage. For best results, use this fenugreek mask 1 to 2 times per week. Consistency is key to seeing noticeable improvements in hair thickness and growth. You can also use fenugreek-infused oil for regular scalp massages. Simply heat fenugreek seeds in coconut or olive oil and let it cool before applying. Consider adding other beneficial ingredients to your mask, such as aloe vera or amla powder. These can further enhance the hair-boosting properties of fenugreek. Remember to be patient and consistent with your fenugreek treatments. Natural remedies take time to work, but the results are worth the effort. Ready to unlock the secret to unstoppable hair thickness? Try this simple fenugreek mask today and witness the transformation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing DIY hair care tips and natural remedies. Share this video with your friends who are also looking to boost their hair growth. Leave a comment below and let us know your experience with fenugreek. We can't wait to hear your success stories.